Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Is your TCL Roku TV backlight flickering and making it impossible to enjoy your shows? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective steps to fix the problem at home before calling for repair. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important tips. Step 1. Check power source. The first thing you should do is check your TV's power source. A loose or faulty power cable can cause flickering. Unplug your TV, inspect the cable, and plug it back firmly into a reliable power outlet. If possible, try a different wall socket or a surge protector. Step 2. Adjust picture settings. Next, adjust your TCL Roku TV's picture settings. Sometimes, incorrect brightness or advanced settings cause backlight issues. Go to Settings, TV Picture Settings, and reset them to default. Try lowering the backlight and brightness to see if the flicker reduces. Step 3. Update Roku software. Outdated software can also trigger backlight flickering. To fix this, press the Home button on your remote, go to Settings, System Update, and install the latest Roku update. After updating, restart your TV and check if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Perform a power reset. If the problem continues, try a power reset. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet and wait at least 60 seconds. While unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for 20 seconds to drain residual power. Plug it back in and turn it on. This often clears temporary glitches. Step 5. Check HDMI devices. Sometimes external devices like gaming consoles, streaming boxes, or HDMI cables may cause flickering. Disconnect all devices and test the TV on its own. If the flicker stops, replace the faulty cable or device. Step 6. Backlight hardware issue. If none of the above works, the flicker may be due to a failing LED backlight or internal hardware issue. At this point, contact TCL support or a qualified technician for repair. It's better to fix it early before the issue gets worse. So that's how you can fix TCL Roku TV backlight flickering. Start with simple checks like power and settings, then move on to updates and resets. If the issue still persists, it's time to seek professional help. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.